I smoked away my brain, think I'm going dumb. Cocaine up on my gums, I think they going numb. I'm having stomach pains, now I'm throwing up. Cause I'm a microphone fiend. Give me the bass, give me the beat, now let me lean. Take the lead. Young Martin Luther King with a dream that one day that my team we can make it with this rap, and now we swaggin', making money in Manhattan. Straight what's happening. They try to intellect with indirections just to test you. A rebel to my death is in my flesh, is in my vessels. Fuck the click you with, I'm finna fuck the bitch you next to. Fuck a metrosexual, suck a dick, I'm disrespectful. You know the kid, get sick, spit, clip, spit, quick, split shit, hit kids, women. Oh, that's your girl, huh? Well, I just hit it. It's ASAP, nigga, live with it. Niggas posted all around me, I can't beat them all alone. Attitude, always in the ghost, they start to try me low, don't leave me alone. Attitude, demons posted all around me, I can't beat them all alone. Attitude, these demons ghosts, they start to try me low, don't leave me alone. Let the beat chill. Let the beat chill. Let the beat chill. It's the ball hop, but I can tell you how the streets feel. Posted all around me, I can't beat them all alone.
Exactly.